What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise News. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where Kia has published the first official photos of the 2023 facelifted Seltos, showing a fresh design queue along with modern tech inside the cabin. Now, it might not seem too long ago, but the Seltos is already 3 years old, having debuted in 2019. So this makes this year in 2022 a fitting time for a mid-cycle update, bringing it closer to the more recent models of the Kia lineup in terms of design and tech. Now, at the front, the SUV got new LED headlight graphics that are now connected with illuminated elements on the revised grille. Now, the bumper has also been redesigned, gaining a more modern look thanks to the simpler intakes and the new aluminum style skid plate. Now, the profile remains unchanged, setting aside new designs for the wheels and a fresh color palette with two-tone options. Changes are more noticeable at the back, with the updated Seltos featuring a full-width LED light bar connecting the new and more upright taillights and replacing the chrome trim of its predecessor. Now, the tailgate is also new, as is the rear bumper with integrated lights and skid plate. And moving inside, you'll find a new digital cockpit comprising of a 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster and a 10.25-inch infotainment touchscreen. Now, the displays are now housed within the same panel, similar to the larger Sportage and other Kia models. Now, the center console has new buttons for the climate controls and a new selector for the automatic gearbox, while the dashboard gets ambient lighting. You can also expect more standard ADAS and improved connectivity. Now, Kia has yet to announce the engine range of the 2023 Seltos, but the powertrains will most likely be carried from the existing model, and there is also a rumored addition of a hybrid, but nothing has been confirmed yet. Now, the updated Kia Seltos is scheduled for a full reveal at the 2022 Busan Motor Show on July 15th, which is then we'll learn more about the specifications. The rollout will likely start from Korea and will export to markets following shortly after that. So with that said, what do you guys think about your first look at the new redesigned 2023 Kia Seltos? Let me know down in the comments below. And if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving the video a like will help get it up in rankings, more people can see it, and we'll have a bigger discussion on the facelifted 2023 Kia Seltos. Now, if you guys enjoy what I do here and want to help further support the channel, always check the links down in the description below, where I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, my Cash App, my Venmo, my Patreon, everything there, just in case you guys want to donate an extra $1 or $2 to the channel. I appreciate that extra love and support, guys. Thank you so much. You guys can also check out the Ron's Rise merch in case you guys want tank tops, slides, fanny packs, stickers, everything Ron's Rise is there. And I'm also on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter. See everything I'm posting, car memes, pictures, and videos that doesn't always make it here to the channel. Now make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click the notification bell so you don't miss one video. And with that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise News video. Peace.